Uh, Good morning, friends, and I hope you had a superb expiry. Superb trading day on Monday. Uh, Today's day was just a premium killing day. If you actually go back and check the Nifty or Bank Nifty, now the price of Bank Nifty moved from 43,950 to 44,050. The CE prices even of 43,900 call was not moving much. Of course, we were slightly looking at the bearish side right from morning. In fact, we mentioned that 44,150 above only upside, otherwise market will be range bound to downside. This was the futures call. And if you observe, market went around 12 o'clock to 44,50 levels. Within the same candle, it came down. It did never sustain. And we were able to capture this particular move around 2 o'clock. Uh, we also had shared a few pre-market calls. I think exactly around 2:14 or so, we gave 44,000 put, about 200 we mentioned 260, and this within about 5-10 minutes went to 255, and this call was shared across most of the groups. We had also shared one HDFC put trade, which from 16.7 went to around 18.3, and Tata Motors we had shared one trade, uh, from 16 it went to 18.5. Very uh, simple for tomorrow. If price again is able to sustain uh, above this, if market is able to open gap up of 44,187 or near 70, our next target would be 44,270 and 44,400. We are slightly looking at the bullish side tomorrow. We would, when I say bullish side, I don't mean to say that we're looking at big bull. We would, instead of going for 2 lots, we might go for 4 lots. Whereas on the put side, if we get any trade as per our levels, we may go for 1 lot or 50%. So this is how our trade setup would be. Simple. The other thing is 44,000 call. If it moves about 280, I think we will look for long side, and 44,000 put about 240 or 260, we will look for put side. Let me share Finnifty levels. 19,400 put. If this moves from below above 75, then I'm looking at targets of 90 plus. On put side, if for 19,400 put moves above 50, then I'm looking at target of 70 plus. Even the stocks, if you see, are actually rainbow. Even it is slightly indecisive even for tomorrow. So if UPL 680 moves above 14.1, I'm looking at targets of 15, 16. Put side, if it moves, well, there is also a chance that put side may move. Axis Bank also, I would look at put side mostly. If 970 put moves above 40.6, then I'm looking at targets of 18 plus. Tata Consumer, if you really want to trade, an 800 coil above 16.3, target of 18 plus. Tata Consumer put about 10.3, targets of 30 plus. State Bank of India, I'm looking at 580 put above 9.2, targets of 11 plus. IndusInd Bank, I'm looking at the call side 1330, 34, 35. I'm looking at target of 40 plus. And AB Capital, I think I will look at 180 call above 4.5 of targets of 6 plus. PL is doing well, a very volatile stock. You can look at positional entry for targets of 830 uh, or even short term 820. Canfin Homes also, I think if this moves above 750, enter for targets of 770 or 765. Uh, Granules, I'm looking at 280 call above 8.8 then target of 10 plus. Tech Mahindra, I am slightly looking at the short side. If it moves, if it is not able to sustain 1075 levels, then I think I will look to short. And Bsoft uh, is a good entry. I think we will wait for. I'm looking at Bsoft for short term. Uh, we'll wait for the retracement up to 330. We will look at target of 370 plus. Uh, if somebody is able would have been able to capture these stocks like Intellect and all, I think Intellect tomorrow we can look at the call side. 590 call side maybe looks pretty good. Present levels of let's look at Intellect 590 call S. Meanwhile, we look at the open interest data. Uh, Nifty has strong resistance or call build up at 18,700. Though Nifty was moving slightly positive, it was unable to sustain, uh, I think, the levels. It was trading in this particular range throughout the day, the range of 18,630 and 18,560. Uh, Tomorrow as well, it may trade the same range. The safe buys, I think what you can do is you can go for call. Uh, you can buy 18,600 call and short 18,750 put. Sorry, call. This way, though I'm slightly bullish, you are with the option premium killing, we would make profit and close by end of day. This could be an intraday trade tomorrow if uh, whether price moves up or down, you can still make small profit and safe way without major, you know, trading for going for call or put like the way it happened today. I'm sure most of you would have, when this candle goes down, you would think of going put, and then when our candle goes up, you would have thought of going long. And premium was getting killed every second. So have a safe trading. Do join our Telegram channel. Name of our Telegram channel is Chartspeak. Yes, we are not very active on Telegram. Uh, Let me share one small, simple way to understand or trade the market. Uh, Especially when it is options, you have to look for momentum. But it's the momentum, then you can trade. But this kind of a momentum, you will be able to hardly make any profit. And trending market also you can make profit. You would have noticed today market was just very flat. Uh, Total price movement I think today was just 250 points whereas Bank Nifty normally has to move 500 points in a day. And Nifty was even, of course, has to be was, I can say, just movement of about 75 points. This type of a market is kind of very risky. Uh, Positional traders can wait for market to sustain up to 18, uh, maybe 18,780, 760, 800, and trade or go short on futures. So we will see the entries. Right now, I think we will wait and look for safe trades. Thank you all for joining in.